In this vlog, I'm going to share my winter trip in Japan and how we visited and enjoyed the cities of Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka in 8 days. And before anything else, let me introduce myself. It's me again, Wayne, sharing my travel experiences which you may use as a travel guide on your next backpacking adventures. And we finally arrived in Japan, where our first travel adventure begins in the city of Tokyo. So guys, we're now here in Japan, okay, for our Christmas holiday vacation with, of course, my travel buddy Mark G, okay, and of course James. There you go. Since we arrived like, at 8 p.m. Japan time, at 7 p.m. Manila time, nagmamadali kami kanina because of course kailangan namin habulin ang train. Okay, since may oras lang yung train, there are 2 train lines na pwede namin i-take. Yung isang train line mas matagal siya, coming from Narita going to Shinjuku. That's gonna take 1 hour and 37 minutes. Obviously it's already 10 p.m. and we wanted to reach our hotel para mas mabilis at makapagpahinga kami because we left Manila 2:40 p.m. So maaga pa kami umalis sa bahay just to go to the airport. Now, since nagmamadali kami kasi nga baka hindi naiabutan yung train, so we opted to take the airport express train, or what they call the Skyliner. So you can pay using your credit card basta nagpa-travel advisory kayo. Pwede kayo magbayad ng cash. With cash, currency, malakas ang peso sa yen right now. However, the problem here is that pag ganitong oras, walang money exchange dito sa kung saan kami na terminal na dumating. There was a machine. It's not a store, not a shop, kaso it's not working. So yung aming money na kasi sa Manila nagpa-exchange na kami from peso to dollar, dollar pa rin siya. So we'll just exchange it once we arrive at Tokyo. Actually, we're staying at Shinjuku area. So ngayon, so with Skyliner going back, you can take that. It's gonna take like 1 hour lang just to reach the city proper coming from Narita Airport. It's the airport express train. You can find the train sa baba lang, sa basement ng Narita Airport. So madali naman siyang hanapin. The ticket cost, we actually paid 8,220 yen for 3 passengers. So when you convert it to peso, as of December 14, 2022, that's amounting to 3,000 pesos. So meaning that's 1,000 per person one way. So for ticket naman, this is your ticket. Okay, just take note of your seat number and of course the car number. Okay, ito namang isa is the ticket that you insert doon sa machine. Okay, and don't forget to get this kasi kakailanganin ito. So there. So guys, we've arrived to our hotel at Hotel Empire here at Shin-Okubo in Shinjuku. So ito yung aming room for the night, for the next 3 nights here in Tokyo, in Shinjuku. Ha? Wala akong pinakita. Yan, okay, not bad. May fridge, okay, TV, and 3 beds. Good for 3 person. And street view. Yan. So guys, right now, naghanap kami ng money exchange. Actually, anong oras na? 12 na, di ba? 12 na, 12 midnight. Kasi wala kaming cash na yen. So we're looking for...
It's already 11.
Yes, correct. It's 11 p.m. because Japan is 1 hour ahead sa Philippine time zone. So, yeah, straight lang. Go straight lang. So ito ang Shin Okubo. Magdadry yung mukha. Okay. So sobrang lamig right now guys. It's actually 6 degrees, right? 6 degrees. Sobrang lamig. Kami, lalo hindi ko kaya. Tumitigas yung aking hands, no? Kaya naka-gloves na ako sa lamig. And some people may ano pa sila, hoodie. So I think the following day, we explored the area of Shin-Okubo, which has plenty of groceries, stores, and dining options, and very near Shin-Okubo train station. Our next stop is the famous Meiji Jingu. So this is the outer side of Meiji Jingu, which is famous for these colorful trees. We were planning to enter Meiji Jingu to see its forest and its famous shrine, but it was so cold that we decided to just have pictures in this area. Our next stop is the Harry Potter in Tokyo, Japan. We went to this place to see the Harry Potter show, but unfortunately, walking in is not allowed and you need to book in advance. Also, the famous Harry Potter cafe is closed while the souvenir store is jam-packed with long queues outside. So, we decided to take pictures instead as souvenirs.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, with you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies
We're going to
are so
Shinjuku
clear.
and we're going to visit Shibuya
With you,
crossing and
I wanna stay
explore the
with
place.
you.
We've been there pre-pandemic, but we weren't able to explore the place. But
I
this
love the
time,
way
we are going
that
to
you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told you're the only one. It's been so cold since you. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the clouds where the skies are so clear. With you,
So guys, we're gonna
I
check
wanna
out
stay
Hachiko
with you.
here in Shibuya
I
Crossing.
wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the clouds where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you.
On our next vlog, we are going to explore Kyoto, so don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe because here, you're the winner.